Good day, my name is Stefan Skuman. I'm a natural health practitioner from Pretoria. I want to share with you two systems that we clearly see through the treatment of COVID in the past year. We've seen that there's a controlled system and an uncontrolled system. In a controlled system, plant sterols and sterols like Procyanidin blocks the ACE receptor right there on the cell membrane, so the COVID cannot enter your body cell and start replicating. The Procyanidin also disrupts the COVID protein from binding to your host cells. It can also break down the membrane protein, and it can also block the envelope protein. This is also proven in an in-vitro study earlier this year. Quercetin carries your zinc over the cell membrane into the cell, and the zinc then can help prevent COVID from replication. Then we need an immune modulator. Proline, which is a short chain protein, regulates the immune system. It protects you against a cytokine storm. So if we look at this inflammatory response on the cytokine storm, it can damage your system, and the immune modulator helps to regulate this cytokine storm. ViroCydin contains a complex of antioxidants and flavonoids that combats ROS and overactive immune system damage. Now, it also helps then to clear up damage done by free radicals by cleaning up the free radicals. So this is very important for damage afterwards. And then it is a controlled system. So ViroCydin helps you to get through the damage and brings you into survival. Now, an uncontrolled system. These are people that are stressed and fatigued, overworked, don't sleep well, no exercise, bad inflammatory genes, overweight or obese, and diabetics. Now, they can form this inflammatory response, this huge inflammatory response called the cytokine storm. If you then take ViroCydin, it can turn this whole thing around for you, but with high dosages, quite quickly, it can help you change it. And we're looking here at 6 capsules a day for the next 5 days, and it can bring you back into a controlled system. But without it, you're still in an uncontrolled area, and you can end up in hospital with already a lung sepsis or acute lung infection, blood clotting, in the ICU, and you can end up with heart damage, lung damage, kidney damage, and that can lead to death. Or if you are one of the lucky ones, then controlled system in hospital can bring you into survival, but you will end up with damage to your nervous system, definitely to the mitochondria in the cells on cellular level, alveoli damage, and therefore ViroCydin helps to clear up the inflammation. It helps to break down the proteins so that it don't do any damage further on.